Welcome to DIY Tech. How to use a network switch at home. Step 1. Inspect your hardware. Check the model number of your shiny new switch. Or, if you are using a spare, check the device hardware and its connected cables for any damages. Power on the switch and verify that all the indicator lights are in working order. Next, use a rollover cable to console into the switch from your computer. Step 2. Set up management IP. Unlike with that punny name you gave your home Wi-Fi network, when setting up the host name for your switch you should probably stick to a more professional and standard naming convention. Follow any preset naming assignment your company is using and then assign an IP address on the management VLAN. Next, make sure your switch has a set host name and domain name. Step 3. Check VTP revision number. Hit the Show VTP Status command to reveal your Virtual Trunking Protocol (VTP) revision numbers. The VTP revision numbers determine which updates are to be used in a VTP domain. Step 4. Configure access ports. You might already have a template ready for access port configuration. Step 5. Configure trunk ports. Enter the command sh and g0/1 capabilities and check the trunking protocol supported. If ISL is supported, you have to issue the switch port trunk encapsulation.1q on the trunk port configuration. Step 4. Configure access ports. After already performing basic network switch configurations, it's time to generate RSA keys to be used during the SSH process. Step 7. Set up VTY Line Config. Set the enable password using the enable secret password command. Then, set the privilege exec password with username name privilege 15 secret password. Make sure that the password encryption service is activated. Thanks for watching.